Okay, I just removed the cigarette lighter from my 99 Camry center bezel. This is amongst one of the hardest jobs I've ever had to do because there's no way that I can find to do this correctly. I'm not sure how I did it without breaking it, but what I can tell you is that this, while this goes into here, like this. I have one hand to do this with, so sorry. You twist this in the direction that allows you to push this down, because it won't push down unless you get it into like this area right here. Once you twist that, then things start to loosen up and you can work your way out. But until that, you're going to break something, especially this thing, which is impossible to fix with glue. So that's how you begin. If you do know, you can write it down and hit me to it or make your own movie. But that's what I got so far, and it worked. And I'm going to put it in this new bezel that I have right now. I believe you start by putting this in like this, and then we'll weasel the cigarette lighter in. Okay, then you do that. So then you got to get this lip in, I believe, on this side after you put all those pieces in. Okay, with that light piece up like that, facing up, it actually went in, that big thick part went in on this side, and I started to push it back. I pushed the metal piece straight back, and now it's in. It's locked in. Almost. I'm going to give it a little bit of a twist. I believe it goes like that. Alright, if I find anything else out, I'll let you know.